Hi YouTube, today we're gonna work on putting and living Ford Escape. The liftgate hinge is broken, had to put it back on temporarily till I ordered the parts. So let's get started. You'll need the following to repair: rear window hinge set, liftgate glass hinges. On in there marked left side and right side. If you put them on the wrong side, you will break the glass. C30 Torx bit, flathead screwdriver, Windex paper towels, painter's tape, number 2 pencils, and 11mm socket. Step 1, clean window and tailgate with Windex. Step 2, tape off hinges so you know the locations if the glass moves. Step 3, put number 2 pencils in the lower capture window and tape the glass in place. Use $1.50 in quarters on the top as shims and tape it all in so nothing can move. Step 4, remove the left boot and use screwdriver to press out the one on the right side. It has an edge on both sides to hold it in. Step 5, remove the hinges by the nut first. See, the corrosion is so bad the hinge popped out. Make sure the window is clean before you install the new hinge. Then hand tight the new nut and make sure you have glass between the new Torx bolt and the glass. Hand tight the Torx bolt, close the hatch easy and check the alignment of the hinge. If it looks good, tighten the nut at 66 pounds and tighten the Torx bolt at 44 pounds. Now do the same to the right side. Step 5, push the boots back in. Put your $1.50 back in your pocket. Pull your pencils back and remove the tape. Step 6, clean the glass seal so water doesn't run down the inside of the window and rust out the tailgate. Oh!